usapan ng Viva Max ngayon ang lahat ng mga artists sa Viva Max. Ano yung mga tips nyo sa mga gustong pumasok as Viva Max artist? Ano yung pwede nyo maibigay na tips? Nico, sige, mauna ka na.
But I think yung advice ko para sa mga Viva artists that want to be a part of Viva is ask yourself why you want to be a Viva artist. Is it because gusto mo maghubad or gusto mo maging famous? If those are the two reasons, wag mong gawin. Wag ka pumasok sa show business or Viva. Do it because you love acting, you love the craft, you love the art. Kasi that's really what will drive you long term dito sa business. If you're just doing it because gusto mo ng followers or gusto mo maghubad because you want to show your body or something like that, that's not the reason. Do it because you love the craft.
Yeah. I agree with you actually. I agree with you. And i-add ko lang na if ever gusto talaga nilang pumasok sa Viva Max, I would say na lang na dapat buo yung loob nila kasi this is not the sobrang, hindi to madaling job.
Yes,
So,
hindi madali.
Yeah, and you need to work on that and kailangan matatag ka kasi hindi madaling job to, tapos yung mga sasabihin pa sa'yo ng mga tao, dapat ready ka for that. You need to accept that before ka mag-enter sa Viva Max. So, yeah.
Dapat talaga handa. And hindi, tulad na sabi ni Nico, hindi shallow yung reasons mo kung bakit mo papasukin itong industriya as a whole, hindi lang as a Viva Max artist.
Tama, as a whole.